Hi, we are learning about radio waves, and that's what we did our project on. This is M. She's having a bad hair day, and her hair is going to be a representation of the electromagnetism spectrum wave. As you can see, the red hair is really straight, and that's our radio wave, and then our yellow hair is the microwave wave. And then our orange is the infrared, and the pink is the visible light. As you can see, the energy is increasing as the wave gets curvier. The ultralight is represented with the brown, and then we have the X-ray, which is blue. And lastly, we have the gamma wave, which is green. The radio waves characteristics is that it ranges portion on the electromagnetism spectrum from 300 gigahertz to 3 kilohertz. The wavelength measures from 1 meter to 100 kilometers. As you can see, the AM radio waves, they carry commercial radio signal from 540 kilohertz to 1600 kilohertz. Within radio waves, the amplitude varies and frequency stays constant. FM radio waves are used to carry commercial radio signal from 88 millihertz to 108 millihertz. Information is always carried through frequency modulation while the signal amplitude remains constant. Now, as for the wavelengths, the long waves surround 1 to 2 kilometers in wavelengths. Medium waves around the 100 meters in wavelengths. Very high frequency wavelengths is around 2 meters. This is where you find the FM radio stations. So if you're ever listening to 97.5, you're listening to the FM radio. Then you have the ultra high frequency wave, which has a wavelength less than a meter, used for police radio communication and TV transmission and military aircraft radio systems.
The radio is the most commonly known utilizer of the radio wave. There are many other things that emit and receive them, as in radar, wireless computers, satellites, televisions, cell phones, CD players, and fax machines, and microwaves. As a matter of fact, all use radio waves. These machines, as in the radio, use the radio waves by interpreting the radio waves to emit a sound from your speaker. That's how you get music.
And that is radio waves.